What's up, guys? So as you might be aware, Instagram is literally down right now, which is absolutely insane. If you try going on someone's profile, it just says, "We're sorry, but something went wrong." And as you guys can see, you literally can't do anything on the app because Instagram is down right now. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what you need to do to fix Instagram down, so make sure you keep watching to the end. But yes, guys, if you do anything, including going to your profile, guys, look, if you go to your profile, it says, "We're sorry, something went wrong," and it can't even load any of your posts, which is absolutely insane. Of course, guys, if you try to click on a post or anything, guys, some of them will load if they're already loaded on your phone beforehand. But if you try and click on a profile, guys, it's not going to load. Nothing is going to load because Instagram is down right now, which is absolutely insane. You literally can't even access the settings, guys. Look at this. If you try to access the settings, guys, basically it won't even let you do that, guys. It'll just come up with an error, which is absolutely insane. And Instagram is fully down right now. Of course, guys, this is literally a worldwide outage for Instagram for everyone, so it doesn't matter what country you're in. Instagram is literally down for everyone worldwide right now. So of course, guys, yeah, don't worry, you're not the only one whose Instagram isn't working. It is down worldwide for everyone. But guys, luckily, I've got some of the best tips and tricks to fix Instagram being down. So guys, since Instagram is down, the best thing we can do to fix this is come to the settings for the app. So of course, guys, what you want to do is go to settings and search for the Instagram app in the settings. Now, of course, guys, this works on both iOS and Android, so it doesn't matter what type of phone you guys have. Of course, guys, once you come in the settings for Instagram, what you guys actually want to do is go ahead and go to the background app refresh setting and toggle this one on and off. That is right, guys. This can be a big problem with Instagram being down, and sometimes when you do this, it can fix your Instagram being down before anyone else. So, of course, as you guys can see, once you come to the settings, this should be both on iPhone and Android. It should say background app refresh. What you guys want to do is toggle that one off and then turn it back on again like that, and just like that, that sometimes can fix Instagram being down. But of course, guys, apart from that, there's nothing we can do to fix Instagram being down. It is basically a worldwide outage right now, and we just need to wait until the Instagram servers come back online. We're not sure how long it could be, guys. Yeah, the best thing you can do right now is go to the settings and toggle the background app refresh button. So of course, guys, toggle this one on and off like I just did, and sometimes that can fix Instagram being down. But if that doesn't work, we'll just have to wait until the Instagram servers go back online.